Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find the full folder location of emails in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to identify which folders are taking up the most space in your mailbox or when you're trying to locate specific emails based on their storage size and location. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and give it a moment to fully load all your emails. It's important to wait until everything is properly synced before moving forward, as this ensures you'll see accurate folder information. Once your emails have loaded completely, we'll need to access some advanced settings. Navigate to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This tab contains various account settings and mailbox management options that we'll be using. After clicking on File, the menu will expand to show you several options. Direct your attention to the right side of your screen where your mailbox settings are displayed. Here you'll see a Tools drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it, then select Mailbox Cleanup from the options that appear. This feature is designed to help you manage your mailbox storage and locate large or problematic folders. Now, within the Mailbox Cleanup window, look for the Find button and click on it. This will open the Advanced Find window, which is where the real magic happens. From this window, click on the Advanced tab at the top. You'll notice several fields and options available here. What we're looking for is the Field drop-down menu. Click on it and hover your cursor over all mail fields. This will reveal additional options related to email properties. From these options, select Size on Server. This setting allows Outlook to search based on the actual storage size of your emails and folders. Once you've configured this setting, click on Find Now. Outlook will now process your request and present you with detailed results. Give it a few moments to complete the search, especially if you have a large mailbox with many folders. The results will display your folders organized by size from largest to smallest. This comprehensive view lets you easily determine which folders are taking up the most space, along with their exact location within your Outlook structure. You can now identify any folders that might be full or need cleanup. And there you have it. You've successfully located the full folder information for your emails in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.